Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the battery, loosen the 8 captive screws on the base cover and pry the cover off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the battery and remove the 3 screws. Lift the battery out of the system. To reinstall the battery, place it back in the system and tighten the 3 screws. Reconnect the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 8 screws. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.